Spray parsley at the entrance of your house. The results will be immediate and surprising. I guess you already knew, parsley brings lots of luck and prosperity. This ritual told me a friend who is a witch, and the truth is that it works very well. Sprinkle parsley on the floor of the entrance of your house and you are going to hallucinate. Your life will be a true bliss. But in today's video I tell you more about the parsley rituals. I'm going to tell you today how to prepare and enjoy a bath of parsley and cinnamon to open the roads to good luck. It is an action of white magic, like all the ones I publish. In addition, for all those who want to save time, water, or simply do not have a bath or tub in the house to make the bathroom, I must tell you that you can do this powerful bath parsley and cinnamon. In your usual shower you can make use of this fantastic bath of Aber roads. Why use parsley and cinnamon in my bath? Quite possibly, if you are reading this, it is because you feel that you need to improve your good luck. And precisely, among the multitude of magic ingredients that we can make use of in our magic actions of Aber Caminos and facilitators, parsley and cinnamon are two fundamental elements. First of all, I must tell you that parsley has been used for almost 2,000 years in the preparation of magic recipes. Of the plants of Open's most powerful roads, the parsley is in the first places. Its use is associated to job success, attraction of good luck, improvement of mood, and open pathways. Secondly, on cinnamon, I will just point out a detail. It is a tradition to give a person a little insomnia, headache, or bad mood and a little teaspoon of cinnamon in a glass of milk. Cinnamon, besides the classic use as a sweetener in our lives, is also a great element to open the way to luck. For these reasons, in this fuerte bath, parsley and cinnamon could not miss the two magical ingredients. Preparation. This is as simple as putting parsley and cinnamon in your bathtub. If you do not have a bathtub, you can put it in your favorite shampoo. Regarding the quantities, it is indifferent. Put what you need. I hope you